guys, so I'm here with my cousins. We're gonna do the burping challenge.
Yes.
We got 6 different beverages. We got a root beer, orange juice, Pepsi, Dr. Pepper,
Ginger ale,
and Mountain Dew. So here we go.
Maddie's starting us off. You dribbled it? Nice.
I got nothing.
You, Abby.
Okay, so what happened there? You just didn't want to eat anymore?
Nothing.
Oh, okay.
Gotta be
There you go, Abby.
I gave a 0. I didn't
0.
burp. I think Sarah gets like a 8.
I give myself a 7.
I burped like 3 times, maybe.
Oh wow.
2.
Okay.
Aaron and I picked, but they weren't like great.
SOS. SOS, how do I open this? Oh, I got it.
What in the world? I'm so
Wait,
confused.
you have to pull the straw until it ends.
Alright.
The
Do
straw
I just
clip.
go or show
Wait,
me?
you go like this?
Yeah.
Alright,
Ready?
no, that's Trace.
Go.
I have a burp. It won't come out.
Oh, were we supposed to shake it?
Mm-mm.
Oh, okay.
Nice! Alright, let's do another soda. I burped 0. It hurts so bad. It won't come out.
I just want to laugh.
You guys are starting off strong. Here I got nothing. A little bit. Nice! 10 out of 10! 420 out of 420.
Dang it.
Chug it. Where'd you get it?
I have to like slurp.
She said.
I haven't even had a sip yet. I don't.
Does anyone mind if I put my mouth on the spigot?
No, but I feel like I'm about to throw up.
Update, Sarah threw up.
Anticipation. That's like gathering, you know,
Yeah.
formulate.
Shout out.
Not sponsored.
This is not
Getting paid for this.
Oh, God.
Nice! Not sponsored.
My friends. Is that
It's a
elder
hit.
bag?
Side day. Nice! That ginger ale though.
I try.
You got 2 more beverages to go. After that one.
Do you need a bowl? Yeah.
Nice!
Pepsi, I think, had the biggest for all. I probably should brush my teeth. Stomach acid in my mouth.
Hey!
My teeth, my finger.
I think I have it.
Gross. It's called oral hygiene.
Thanks, Sarah.
Chug, 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 chug. Goodbye!
Bye, friends.
Bye!
Bye.
Check out my channel for more videos.